In this video, pretty sure it's the same one, wet tile cutter. Take it off. Bought this a while ago. Chit on one end, 12 volt. Grinder style pizza cutter. Look at the size of that manual. This video's giveaway to gouge stuff out. Interesting. In fact, there's a lot of things here I want to get. I made a mistake. You know when I said in the last video there's a bit of a tool drought at Parkside? Well, scrap that. It looks like the rain's coming. Well, tools are coming, and a lot of them. Thanks to your comments reminding me that I should have looked on the app before I did the video. 7th of December, big tool drop. In time for Christmas, put all your stuff on your list. Great for DIYers and woodworkers. What I thought I'd do is go through the brochure, because I've picked one up, and I'll show you the tools that I've already got that's coming out in this tool drop. And we'll have a look online for the much clearer photos, and we'll do the giveaway results and a new giveaway. So, fellow sheddies and tool lovers, Parkside tool lovers, let's stop the waffle and get on with it. Hello, sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. So I nipped in Lidl just to get the brochure, really, because up to now we've just been thinking it's just Christmas decorations and Christmas jumpers and the like. But before we look at what's coming out, look at this, look, a Revel model car set, 2 different designs, $19.99. Right, back to the shed. Right, let's have a look. Spectacles on. Whoop. So it shows from the 4th of December to the 10th of December, but the tools bit is from the 7th. See straight away, Parkside Performance. I'll show better photos of these on the screen as we go through them, but let's get to the right page. Here we are, look, and there's 2 pages. And as I say, I'll show you the tools that I've already got as we go through them. First of all, the Performance 12-volt cordless drill driver starter set. 30 quid with the Lidl Plus app. Worth downloading because you're saving a tenner, normally 40 or 39.99. And with this, you get 2 batteries, a charger, and you get some drill bits. 3 boxes with 25 bits. And it looks like you also get a case with it. Now, I got this set a couple of months ago. Performance range, brushless, of course, impact driver, and the drill. And they were 50 quid for the pair with the batteries. But we're interested in this, the drill. Bit flat on the battery. Pretty sure it's the same one. Yes, it is. So different torque settings on top. And to release the chuck, push that in, take that out, and then you can put bits in there. Aussie bits, Phillips bits, whatever. So that's handy. So pretty much an all-in-one system. And of course, when you drill in, put it on the drill option, and whatever setting, depending on how far you want to send the screw in. 1 and 2 switch on top, battery in the bottom, 12 volt. But I've done a video on these already, check it out in the playlist. So you get in that one, 2 batteries, charger, and a load of drill bits. Performance as well. Come on, Lidl, let's get some more Parkside Performance stuff out. Next. Right, the bar clamps, $6.99 for either a pack of 2 or a pack of 4, depending on if it's large or medium. Or speed clamps, quick clamps, one-handed clamps. Now, these ones are much better than they used to be. These are the old version. Obviously, use it as a clamp. Pull the trigger in, of course, and then to release, press the button. But also, you can use them as spreaders. On this one, you take that wing nut out, turn that round the other way, and then use it to spread something apart to hold it in place. But the good thing about these ones is now you can push the button in, take it off, turn it around, on that end, should I say. Push it back in, lock it in place, and then you can use that as a spreader. It's pushing against that way and that way. Your skirting boards up against the wall, you can put a nail in the floor, I suppose, in the floorboards, and that can push the skirting board if you've got a bit of a curvy wall, and loads of other applications. So they're coming out, $6.99, pack of 4 medium, a pack of 2 large. Next, screwdriver set. That's the big screwdriver set. Bought this a while ago. This is the smaller version. We'll have a look, just see the quality of them. Now, I got this for the other end of the shed. That's why I've not used it yet. Let's grab one out. Rubber on the handle, of course. Nice grip. Hole at the end there. And it shows what it is on there as well. Little symbol. Magnetic tip. And on that one, you get a good selection. But that one, you get more. You get the electrician screwdriver in that one as well. 20 quid. Next. Spanner set. There's different types here. All at $8.99 each. 5-piece hinge ratchet set. A ratchet set, 6 pieces. And a ratchet set with switchover, 5 pieces. Now, I got these a while ago from Parkside. 5-piece set. I don't think it came with a holder, though. But I may have took that off because I've got these on my magnetic strip on my tool wall. But as you can see, ratchet on one end. And obviously switch it over to go in the other direction. And a spanner at the other end. Next, I've not got this. It's the Parkside ratchet screwdriver bit set. It's a ratcheting screwdriver there with all those bits that come with it. I think it's got a flexi bit on there as well. Extension. 40 bits total, 25 mil, 8 quid. Wet and dry vacuum cleaner, £40. Top pick, 1400 watts, suction power, 240 air watts. Coming very handy. We've seen this before, the Crossline laser and tripod, normally 25 quid, reduced to 20 with the Lidl Plus app. Not got one of them. The wet tile cutter. I've not seen this in Parkside before. Be interesting to know if any of you have, or you've got one, or any of your experiences with any of these tools. Put them in the comments below. It helps me and others. 4,000 RPM, 800 watts, cutting height 34 millimeters. That's quite a bit. Cutting angles 45 degrees to minus 45 degrees. The disc is 180 mil. Diamond cutting disc, of course. Yeah, I'm interested in that. Folding step ladder, £18. Looks like it's plastic. Anti-slip feet. Folds for space-saving storage. Maximum load 150 kilos. Socket set, speaks for itself, a tenner. Hand riveter set, £6. 4 rivet heads, 4 HSS drill bits, and 100 rivets. And the assembly spanner. And so on to the next page. First of all, let's go look at these. Slippers, black and green, £5 a pair. Yeah, that's going to make a good Christmas gift for somebody, I'm sure. A storm lighter, £2. Hoodie, 8 quid. Insulated food flask with a spoon, screw on cap, etc. 650 millilitres. Insulated flask or travel mug, £5. Well, look here, look. I've been waiting for such a long time for this to come back out. I've heard rumours about it. The angle grinder style pizza cutter, the circular saw style pizza cutter, the hammer style bottle opener, and the screwdriver style bottle opener. Parkside fanboy stuff there. And what we got here, look, laminate flooring fitting kit. Looks like you get everything here, look. The mallet, the puller, the block, and it looks like knee pads as well. So a bit of a bargain there, I think. Gel knee pads. I've got some of them for $5.99. They're these. I've not used them yet. Massive manual. Look at the size of that manual. I know it's in different languages, but... So Velcro to hold them together. It's all tie wrapped up. There we are. They're called gel knee pads. Velcro to strap it around your knee. Parkside. So that's them. Next. Quick interruption. I know a lot of you watch this channel on your big TV, but are you subscribed? Have a quick check, because you might not be, or you might not want to be. But if you do want to be, click on subscribe. It helps me out massively. Right, back to the video. Decorating tool assortment set, $2.99 each. I've got that scraper. It's got the little screwdriver bit at the end there. If you're scraping walls and come across a screw in the wall, you can get it out. Tiling trowel, and also... I think it's in that lot. There we go, multi-purpose decorating tool. Got one of them. Let's go and find it. That's it. Bit worse for wear. I don't know what I was doing when I was using that. It's like tile grout. But anyway, you get the idea. Scraper at one end. Gouging point there as well to gouge stuff out. Nail remover in the centre. Bottle opener, of course. When you get your roller and you want to scrape all the paint off, I normally squeeze it like that. But with this... you just go down with that concave bit there. Scrape it. Rubber on the handle if you want to hang it. It's got a strike point at the end there in case you want to get out the stubborn stuff. So you can't go wrong. They're a lot dearer. I've seen other brands that are a lot dearer than these. Anyway, $2.99. Next, a flooring repair kit. Laminate repair kit or tile repair kit. Interesting. I'm assuming you can use that on furniture as well for restoration. Is it like wax that you heat up? Yeah, it looks like it does because it comes with a melting tool as well. Loads of different colours in there in a nice box. I'll definitely be getting one of them. What do you reckon? Parkside cordless LED work lights, 8 quid, 10 watts, 600 lumens, illumination time 1.5 hours, indoor and outdoor use, and a USB-C cable to charge it up. Nice knobs on there to adjust it. Rubber feet by the looks of it. I think I might get one of them. In fact, there's a lot of things here I want to get. That, definitely them. That, and that. Oh, and the 3-in-1 multi-sander, £23, top pick again. 3-in-1 Delta, random orbital and orbital sander, adjustable speed control, integrated suction with dust collection box. No load rotation speed, 7,000 to 12,000 RPM. Oscillation rate, 14,000 to 24,000 OPM. Well, that's a right good tool drop, that. In time for Christmas, send your list out to Santa, or good for family and friends as well, if they're into DIY, woodworking, or just general making. And as I mentioned, I've got more in-depth videos in my playlist on my channel of all these tools, and hundreds more. Have a look, see what you think. Coming out 7th of December. Again, let us know what you've got. Let us know what you're buying. It helps me and others. Any experiences you've got. This video's giveaway is for the Fan Edition Parkside Drill Performance Range earring. It's got a bit of a rip in there. I'm sure you won't mind. And a little tiny keyring. Tape measure. Of course, the sticker, tool lover. Just put I'm in below in the comments. I'm in on its own, or I'm in and something else after it, whatever comments you like. And I'll pick a winner at random in another video and never announce it in the comments. Right, let's do the results from the last giveaway. So as usual, I put it into a random picker on the Tinternet. And this time the winner is Tony Sutton. Long-time subscriber. Well done, mate. Send me an email in the description below. More videos to come, a lot more on my playlist on my channel. As always, I'm not an expert. These are just things I get up to in my shed at the weekend. I'll put a link on the screen down to one of the tool reviews, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care. And remember, keep calm and head to the shed. Cheers! See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.